Let's make the cutest, smallest and easiest box ever. All you need is some toilet paper rolls, scissors and glue. Cut your roll and make sure that you have a flat surface. Then try to straighten it up and cut the edges to your desired size. I like the 3/4, as you can tell on my scoring board. I like that size. I checked different ones and I like that the most. I just found it the most deep, the nicest looking. Not too deep, not too big, not too small, just perfect. Then make sure that your walls of your box, your edges are well prepared for cutting and putting them together in the standing position for the box. The nearly last is to cut out the elements so you can actually build your little box. Super easy, 4 tiny cuts and glue on those little squares. Then put your one wall and then second wall, glue it down together, and voila, your box is ready. You can decorate it. In the next videos I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put inside. If you have 2 different sizes, look, you can have box that is closed. And next video will be how to make that flower, and this one as well. I have to admit I'm quite addicted from those boxes. Super cute. Each of them is different colors, a little bit of a wonky shape, but I love it. That's what's unique about them. I hope you will try. Will you make some boxes with me?